Parati kong sinasabi dun sa mga kaibigan ko dyan sa PCO, palitan nyo si Claire.
Palitan.
Kasi, hindi nakakatulong sa institusyon ng Pangulo.
Dahil po,
Di ba? Tapos mo na siya, gawin mo na siyang attack dog. Huwag mo lang siyang gawing,
Spokesperson.
biro mo nasa podium ka, nandun ang silang Malacanang. And you dish out this kind of narratives. Meron kami ginawang study. Is there a direct correlation mula nung naging spoke si Yusek Claire Castro? There is a direct correlation. Every time she speaks there, people are mad. Every time she tells a lie and defends the president, people get mad. Every time the default narrative is Duterte, people get riled up. So, how do you now break that? Pareho kayong communicators. How do you now break from that mold? Na gusto ng presidente to reach out. Ang presidente magka-announce tungkol sa mga programa na existing man. Di ba? So, it's really an administration in crisis.
Nako. So parang na-agit yung mga tao pag nakikita si Claire. Imbis na maging kalma, 'di ba? Imbis na maging informative, straight to the point, 'di ba? Mas na-agit sila siguro dahil nga sa demeanor rin po ni Claire kasi defensive parati po yung kanyang posisyon, no? Kasi nga talagang pinagtatanggol niya yung Malacanang. That's my take lang. Okay.
Ang role kasi ng spokes is to reach out to tell the public the programs, the project, the policies that the president is pursuing, updating the public on what government is doing. Role niya. It's a bridge to the public. But if you are acting this way and your words, the tonality and the words being used, pareho kayong communicator. Alam niyo yun. Huwag kayong nagsabi ng kung ano-ano na na-agitate. At ng science dyan, na may measure mo, pag sinabi yung salita, nag-i-spike. Sinabi na, kwan lang, normal, ganyan, or nag-a-agree, nag-i-spike. So, there are ways to check how a spokes is effective. And that is already available in the country.
Correct.